Hi, my name is Adnan Hasbi and I'd like to welcome you to this channel. In today's episode, we're going to talk a little bit about news flows and how it impacts the stock price. So earlier this week, on Monday, the Twitter space blew up with this hashtag which says Maybank. Upon checking this particular hashtag, I noticed that there were a lot of angry people and there were a lot of complaints with regard to Maybank. And I actually did a bit of digging and I found out that the Maybank2U website has been down. To put things into perspective, as an analyst back in the day, what we used to do is we used to read large amounts of newspapers. We will read the Star, we will read the Focus, we will read the Edge, and on top of that, we will go through the Bursa website. And before the market opens at 9 o'clock, we have to brief our fund managers. So on Monday, when the news of the Maybank2U website went down, we can categorize the news into two. Number one, whether it will have impact on the stock, and number two, whether it will not have impact on the stock. Over here, let's just step back and ask ourselves this question. Would the Maybank2U website going down maybe 1 or 2 or 3 hours really impact the value of the company? In my mind, not really. So if we look at the stock since on the 26th of October on Monday, it was trading at 7 ringgit and 9 cents and it has been relatively flat. And on Tuesday, it closed a little lower at 7.07 cents. So in conclusion, not all news will really impact the stock price. So I would like to thank you for watching this particular episode and I hope to see you in the next episode.